Hey everyone, in the next 1 minute, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Lightyear account step by step. 1. Open the app. Start by opening the Lightyear app and tapping the middle button at the bottom. It's the Lightyear logo. 2. Tap deposit. Now hit the deposit button to start your funding process. 3. Choose your deposit method. You'll see a few options here, like bank transfer, Google Pay, and debit card. For this example, I'm using a debit card. 4. Enter the amount. Type in the amount you want to deposit. I'll go with €50. As you can see, there are no fees for this method. 5. Add your card details. Now, enter your card details and tap Pay €50. 6. Confirm in your banking app. Next, you'll need to approve the transaction in your banking app. We got the notification instantly. Just follow the instructions of your bank and confirm. 7. Instant confirmation. You'll get a message saying your deposit has arrived. It's usually instant, even on the first try. Keep in mind that deposits are only accepted from bank accounts in the name of the Lightyear account holder. Any deposits from someone else's bank account will be returned. 8. Check your balance. Go back to your dashboard, and there it is, €50 credited to your account, ready to invest. And that's it. Quick and easy, right? If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. If you're new to Lightyear, check out our other videos on how to buy the S&P 500 and our Lightyear review, covering pros, cons, and comparisons with other brokers. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. See you next time.